So hello guys, now we are ready. Yesterday the load bank is already here. It's been delivered, so we are already prepared for our power cabling. So each line is, we have around 5 each line, 5 cable each line, and we arranged already yesterday for our fat tests today, this morning, around 9 o'clock. So this one is the one we do the tests last time. This one is 1250. So this is how we prepared, and everything is little bit ready, only the connections for our battery, and we're going to check also our connections for our load bank. This one, by the way, is induction load bank. This is what the customer want for their tests. We will check inside what are the connections possible here. So here is our connections for our controller, which is I think this one is fiber optic, yeah, and we have the control there, and this is the panel for the connections. So here is for our external or internal fan we can use. Here's the voltage, and those are the controls for our auxiliary fan if you are needed. And if you look inside, it is locked. So this one here is for all the transformers inside, and let's close it. So let's see the controller from here. So here is our controller that they sent to us, and here is the fiber optic that we can connect to the controller. This is like the extension that we can connect to the load bank. And here is our controller here. If we take a look and try to open it, what is in the box. So here is our also extra wire that we can connect through here, and so here is the jointer, so we can connect through here. And here is our controller that they sent to us. This one is LCA TMC. This one is like tablet. It's have 1 2 3 4 pieces USB ports. So this one you can connect through USB as well. So here is the cord that it is available. So we're going to connect that one after. So we're waiting for the arrangement for all, and I will update you once it is ready and connected. And we are going to check if the load bank is ready, and we can start applying the load, the set points of the load bank, what we can adjust is necessary. Okay, so now we're going to connect the this fiber optic to our controller, so we have communications. So it's so in here is the connection. Just open it. So over here you will not be mistaken, because there is some interlocking. That's it, how you lock the connections so it will not fall down. So we're going to put these things going to our control room. Yes. Up. Hey. Lah. So I think we're going. So we'll get the other one, the other port, so we can join to that side. Oh my god, yeah. So this is the controller, so we're going to put it that way. And, huh? Oh, maybe. Not reaching to that side. It's supposed to be this side. But how we can yeah, we'll put like that. Okay, so I'll just put this one in the top. I will just no, I will just put that one that way. Charger, and we will this through here. Better this side. Oh, yeah. I will remove that one so I can bring it this side. So we're ready. We're going to power up this load bank. We will try to do the configurations as well if we can, and we will start the generator as well. So start ko dun sa loob. So, start. Naka-internal yun, di ba?
Internal din. Ay, ito yung breaker.
Magbago sa parameter. Dikit kagad yung dumi. i-ano natin yung tawag nito, ilabas natin yung keyboard niya. Paano ba yun? Papalabasin natin para makapaglagay tayo ng exact na point. Diba dito? Para makalagay tayo ng ano. Paano ba yung palabasin yung ano, keyboard? Kasi ang configuration ito yung isiset natin eh. Ibaba mo muna, i-zero mo muna. Dito mo na load ng 1,000?
Hindi. Yan yung full load current natin. Hindi.
Kasi ito na yung kilowatt na ilalagay natin eh. Tapos 0.8 power factor, okay na yan. Tapos i-load na natin. Start the generator saglit na.
Wait ka na.
Ilan ba yung calculation natin?
Wala pa naman load, G. Okay lang.
Okay lang?
Wala pa load.
Sige, i-start natin ulit. Okay. We've been mistaken to apply the load. 1/4 pa lang yung load natin. Habang nagtataas tayo, babawas din tayo ng power factor. Kahit isa-isa lang. Gawin mo ng ano.
Ingat dito dahil yung point.
Yung point, yun yung hindi natin siguro nakita kanina.
Tama pag-add. Kung 150, pataas tayo ng pataas. Ganyan na lang siguro, no? Ganyan na nga lang. Saktuhin natin yung zero.
Because we are just on the prepare and test the load bank if it is working properly. There is no issue. So now it is working, and we know that for the calibration, so we set already all the calibration for this. Now we are going to make it 0 to make it cool down for our load bank. So I will apply zip load, apply load, then that is 0 now. Then I will going to pull down the load bank.